Cabinet Minister and MDA2 spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh announced today that the Meghalaya Cabinet has approved the 2021 Forensic Science Laboratory Service Rules. The new rules will introduce mobile forensic crime scene units and additional forensic staff across districts to enhance crime detection. Recent upgrades also include elevating the forensic lab to a directorate with improvements in resources, training and equipment, demonstrating the government's commitment to strengthening forensic support for law enforcement in the state.
To the Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Service Rules 2021, and this involves the creation of the Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit, and Cabinet agreed to the creation of more posts in these mobile forensic crime scene units, which will facilitate crime detection through mobile units, meaning